Hey guys, today I'll show you how to run opencode, which is the open source version of Cloud Code 3 with Kimi K2.5, the new model from Kimi, which is very powerful and you can use it on opencode. So imagine the power of opencode, which is like Cloud Code but with that model. So let's get into it. So first, from their official website, just copy this, go to your PowerShell or terminal, just paste it here. After you install it, of course, I already have it installed. All you have to do is just run opencode. So write opencode and we're here. So as you can see, I already have it, but to get it, just write /model and you will get a list of models. As you can see, I have Azure models here. So leave a comment if you want to see that. You will find that generally right here. Just select it and you will have the model. Just write hello, for example, and it will respond. As you see, it thank and responded. So let's give it a good test. To show it off, guys, let's expand this. I told it to build me a solar system app that is 3D and I can run it in my browser. So it did just that. It created it. It went like that. Of course, it could have been more complex, but for the sake of brevity, I just chose this and it told us how to run. Just cd here and Python 3 and HTTP this server and access it using localhost. So let's give it a try. So let's run the command. Alright, and now all we have to do is just click on this and of course, because it's 000, you have to put localhost. So give me a second and there we go, guys. We have the solar system. Actually like the style, and with instruction you can zoom in, zoom out, and that's a simple test. But that's how you can run Kimi on opencode, and you can run opencode freely on your PC. So thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.